Now, this time it's revision exercise 12, number 3. Okay, A. Tangent theta is equal to tangent 40 degrees plus tangent 50 degrees. So therefore, theta equals arctangent of a number which is the sum of two tangents, tangent 40 degrees and tangent 50 degrees. So the key press is sequence is that we press shift to invoke the inverse tangent function of the tangent key, and then a bracket open for you by the calculator. So then we press the tangent key, another bracket open, 40 degrees, close the bracket for the tangent, plus tangent, a bracket already open for you by the calculator, 50 degrees, close the bracket for this tangent, and then close the bracket for the arctangent, and press EXC to ask the calculator to do. So what do we get? Let's look at the key press. So okay, cancel it first. Shift tangent, okay, bracket opened. So tangent, another bracket open, 40 degree, close the bracket for the tangent 40, plus tangent, bracket opened, 50 degree, close the bracket for the tangent 50 degree, and then we close the bracket for arctangent and press execute. So what do we get? We get theta as 63.8 degree, which is correct to 3 significant figures. So let's move on to B part of the question. So cosine theta is equal to the square of cosine 10 degrees. So therefore, theta is equal to the inverse cosine, okay, of the square of cosine 10 degrees. Okay, so what is the key press sequence? It's shift, okay, the cosine key, which is used to invoke the arc cosine function. A bracket already open for you. Then you open this bracket for the square, okay, and we press cosine key. A bracket already open for you. Press 10 degree. Close the bracket for this cosine 10 degrees, okay, and then we close the bracket for the square, and we press x square, okay, we press x square key. Finally, we close the bracket for the arc cosine. So what do we get? Let's look at the key press, okay. Let me clear the display first. So shift cosine, you see, inverse cosine, and then we open the bracket. Inside the bracket we have cosine, another bracket open, 10 degree. Close the bracket for the cosine 10 degree, and then we close the bracket for this bracket, and then we press square, and we close the bracket for inverse cosine, execute. What do we get? 14.1, okay, 14.1 is an angle. Put the degree sign here. This is correct to 3 significant figures.